Here we go. We have our markers and paper, we have our Legos, and we have our Play-Doh. And today, what we're going to do, it's all about food. It's all about food. Here we are in the restaurant. We have our markers and paper, we have our Legos, we have our Play-Doh, and we're going to make food. So, let's start with our Legos today. Let's start with our Legos. We're going to make a burger. Let's make a hamburger, cheeseburger, something like that out of Legos. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see. So we'll get a lot of different Legos out here. We're going to make our burger. So we'll take some red, I think. And what we'll do... Yeah, that's what we'll do. We're going to make we'll make the bun of the burger out of yellow. Let's make the bun of the burger out of yellow. Let's see here. We're going to take a few pieces here, and I'm just going to kind of lay these out like this. See how I have these all put together? We're just going to make a good base. This is the bottom of the burger, right? Then we're going to take some red, because red is going to be our, like, the actual burger part. And we're going to do like this. We'll take some red and we'll fill up. Let's see here. Do we have... How can we do this? Oh, this is what we'll do. We'll take 3 pieces. Right? Now, we have our bun on the bottom. We have our burger right here on the top. But let's add some, some toppings. Maybe some lettuce. Let's make blue lettuce because I don't have green. So we'll make some blue lettuce. We'll add some blue lettuce. Lettuce is good on a burger, right? Add some blue lettuce. There you go. So, bottom bun, burger, blue lettuce. Let's add some cheese now. We'll add a little bit of cheese. Let's add white for cheese. We'll add some white for cheese. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. This is going to be a good burger here. So let's see what we have. Wow, this is going to be a whopper, really. So we have the bottom bun, burger, lettuce, cheese, and let's cap it off now with the top bun. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we have enough yellow to make the top bun. I think we can pull it off. Let's see here. We're going to take our yellow. Do we have enough to do it? I think we do. I think we can do it. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Wait a minute. Look at I found the last piece here. Look at that. Now, there's your Lego burger. Lego burger. Bottom bun. Burger. Lettuce. Cheese. Top bun. Looking delicious. That looks good enough to eat right there. Lego burger. So we're going to set that off to the side. We're going to put our excess Legos away because we're done with our Lego burger. So we made our hamburger, right? We made our hamburger. Now let's get out our Play-Doh. And for our Play-Doh, we're going to set our burger over to the side. We're going to make spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs with our Play-Doh. So let's see. We're going to take a small little bit like this. Little chunk. Set that off to the side. And we're going to take this and we're going to start with the spaghetti. So we're just going to roll. We're going to roll and roll and roll and roll and roll because we want it nice and thin. And did you know that's what spaghetti means? In Italian, spaghetti is an Italian word. Spaghetti in Italian means little strings. Little strings. How cute is that? Little strings, because that's exactly what spaghetti is. It's just little tiny strings of dough. And let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. This is way too thick for spaghetti, so we're going to keep rolling out. Rolling. You're going to push a little bit as you move it back and forth. And it's going to get nice and skinny. It's going to become little strings. Italian spaghetti means little strings. So there. I think we're going to go with that. 2 pieces of spaghetti. Now we'll take our other one. We'll roll that out. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh, boy, it's really coming together. Look at that. That's spaghetti right there. And we'll do one more little batch of spaghetti. They're gonna roll and roll and roll and roll and roll. Wow, look at this. This is a long piece of spaghetti. And we're gonna make that. See that? See that? Big handful of, we're calling it spaghetti. Looks like it could be spaghetti. It could be worms. I don't know. But we're going with spaghetti. Then we're going to take this chunk and we're going to roll it like this. There's two ways to make a ball. You can roll it between your hands like this. See that? Or you can roll it on the table like that in sort of a circular motion, right? And that you add a little pressure, you push a little bit as you're doing that movement, and boom, you have a ball. There's your meatball. And we're going to put our meatball right on top of that pile of spaghetti. Look at that. I'm going to put it on a plate here. I'm going to put it on this little plate. There is our spaghetti and meatballs. Huh? Does that look delicious? Spaghetti. In Italian, that means little strings. We're going to set our spaghetti off to the side. And then we are going to finish today by drawing. We are going to draw a pizza. We're going to draw a pizza. What is a pizza? A pizza is just, more often than not, it's just a circle, right? However, pizza is all about the toppings. What can we add? So we'll add some sauce like this, right? We're just going to add some sauce onto our pizza. Now, let's get a different color. We're going to get some yellow. And we're going to add some cheese. Pizza needs cheese, right? Most pizzas have cheese. So we're going to add some cheese to that pizza. And then once we have our sauce and our cheese, then we can start adding the toppings. So let's add some toppings. Let's add some, maybe we'll add some mushrooms? We'll add some mushrooms. Kind of like this. And we'll add another mushroom here, kind of like this. And we'll add one more mushroom down here like this. Oh boy, it's looking good. It's looking good. I like a lot of toppings on my pizza. So let's add, I think we'll add some, let's take some orange. And we'll add some pepperoni too. Mushrooms, pepperoni, right? Cheese and sauce. It's looking delicious. Now we'll add some, I don't know what this could be, purple? We'll add a little bit of this. Maybe it's a little grape jelly on your pizza. Do you like grape jelly on your pizza? Mmm. Look at that. So there is our delicious pizza. Right? We have our sauce and our cheese on the bottom. We have our mushrooms and our pepperoni and our grape jelly. Right? It looks colorful. It looks inviting. It looks appetizing. It looks delicious. So we made 3 things all related to food today. We did our markers and our paper, and we drew a delicious looking pizza. With our Legos, we made a really big burger, a Whopper, really. Bun on the bottom, meat, lettuce, cheese, bun on top. Pizza, burger, and boom, our bowl of little strings, spaghetti, right? And our meatball on top. So we have our burger, our spaghetti and meatballs, and our pizza. See that? So we use our Legos, we use our markers and paper, and we use our Play-Doh to make things all about food today. But you don't have to do food. You can make whatever you want. What's important is that you just get out your papers and your markers and your Legos and your Play-Doh and make something. Anything. Doesn't have to be about food. Make anything you like. But have fun and be creative. Make whatever you like and enjoy yourself doing it. Okay? Bye-bye.